Look at the amazing transformation of my DIY backyard golf green. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yes! Hello, I'm Tatty. I do videos every day on gardening, on golf, and right now I am transforming a neglected rental property into a golf resort. So join me every day for new content and to watch the flooding, which is currently happening. Oh no, it just rained really heavy and we're slightly flooded again. Not the greatest thing to happen. It's the afternoon and today is Thursday. I'm having macchiato. It's delicious. So let's have a look at the water well and see where the water level is at today. Oh no, right, not good, not good. Why? Okay, right, we'll put the pump on and let's watch the water go down together. There it goes. I like to watch it just past that concrete ring. Right, pal. Yes, so with that water going down, you can see it's kind of the same level. So with that going down, it should get rid of this. Oh no, I thought it was gone. I've got to say, this macchiato coffee is the bomb. Right, looking at this, I think it's went down a bit, so check the water level. We are down, that's like 1.5 feet, 2 feet. Around about 2 feet down there. So I don't want to pump it out too much over here because, like yesterday, I was filling it back up over here. Because even though the wall is there, it can still come through the wall, the cracks in the wall and the soil and stuff. It will just eventually leak through here and start filling up this and that again, which I really don't want. So I think I'm going to stop it just now. I'm going to make a sandwich, and after I have a sandwich and do a bit of video editing, then I will check it again and give you an update. Because look, it's drying up a little bit here in the corners of the sand bunkers. What an absolute mess, an absolute disgusting mess. Okay, check up with you in a wee bit. Off she goes. It's 5 o'clock in the evening now. So good evening. The water has went down a good bit. It's still wet though, it's still very soggy. A bit of water there, still water in the bunkers. What's going on? Oh, what the hell, the water's still there. What? Oh yeah, do you know what? I forgot I turned that off. Oops. I've been so busy editing videos and about cooking the dog's dinner as well, so yeah, I do this. Whoops. Yes, I totally remember turning it off and I didn't have to check a video just now. But yeah, it's going down now, so that's okay. Okay, it's 6:30 and the pump's been on for what, an hour and a half. It's alright, it's went down. It's 3 feet, it's just hanging around at 3 feet, so I'm going to do the same stupid thing again. Because I'm an idiot, and turn it off because I just want to save electricity and see if it comes up and stays like below the ground level again, because that's what I want it to do. It's not behaving as Mother Nature never does, but let's try it, see how we get on. Hey, it is 8:30 PM and I'm just wanting to make sure that the water hasn't come up too high. That looks okay. It's up, but it's below the ring. It's 4 inches, so I'm good. I just didn't want to turn the pump on overnight. So yeah, good. Right, signing off for the night. I have chicken breast, potatoes and onions in the oven. The dogs have eaten already. So good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe.